Oh, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about liabilities side on balance sheet. So liability account type, they have accounts payable, also liabilities, with credit card, various credit cards, also liabilities, and other current liabilities that may have. And also, by the way, the accounts payable is also part of the current liabilities, and credit card the same, part of current liabilities, other current liabilities. The definition is basically uh, it's a 12-month window, 12 months, and uh, and the long term is over 12 months. Could be 5 years, could be 3 years, over 12 months. And then you have notes payable, also long-term liabilities, and you may have a promissory note. It's also a long-term note, part of the long-term liabilities. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online. And before I do that, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have a question. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online and go over this. Okay, so I'm on QuickBooks Online, and this is the chart of accounts. Basically, from transactions, you go to chart of accounts. Okay, I'm just going to click New and select the uh, what default is a bank. So you need to come down to accounts payable. You do vendor uh, business, and they give you some credit terms. So that goes to your accounts payable. It's part of the other current liabilities, or short-term liabilities, not long-term. Although you may not pay for over 12 months, but still part of the short-term liabilities. And credit card, same thing. Credit card could be the balance, could be keep on going. And so this is also the short term and other long terms. You will see, uh, like you know s- these you may not even use it. The deferred revenue, basically, deferred revenue is you haven't earned the revenue. You bill in advance and to your customers, and you haven't earned that revenue. So that's a deferred revenue. That's if you're doing the accrual based accounting. If you are on cash basis, then the moment you bill and receive the money, that's your revenue. And so you may have other things like a line of credit. You got a line of credit from your bank, and so that goes to your other current liabilities. And then you may have some other payable stuff, payroll. If you are doing payroll, it goes to your other current liabilities, and sales tax if you charge sales tax on invoices. And if you're doing some trust accounting, then that's what it is. You have to set up the trust accounts liabilities. Okay, and in the long term, this is pretty straightforward. It's like a notes payable. So under this, you may have notes payable, shareholders notes payable, and other long-term notes payable. It could be promissory note, like, hey, I'll pay you monthly this amount in over 36 months. That's like a promissory note type. Or it could be just you borrowed some money from your bank to finance your car or equipment. That's other long-term liabilities. This is all the long-term liabilities. It's basically over 12 months. So then that's your long-term liabilities. And then that's about it. Those are the account types you have on the liability side. So, and when you set up the mm, account, just come down here and make sure it's the right account type. Accounts payable or whatever you have. Make sure these are uh, these accounts payable, credit card, other current liability, long-term liability. That's about it. And now I'm gonna show you the balance sheet, how it looks once you set up those liabilities. Okay, so here is the liability side. Then you have the accounts payable. That's part of current liabilities, and the credit card is also part of the current liabilities. And then you have other current liabilities. It's also part of the current liabilities, but like accrued cost. This is the sales tax one. You know, and that's the total current liabilities. It's all these, and then you have the long-term liabilities, and you pay over 12 months, like a bank loan. And then you have notes payable with a promissory note, or could be your shareholder or your partners borrow some money with some notes. Uh, so that's what it is. That's about it on this one. Hope this video is helpful to you, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.